this Sarah Arnold?
From District 2?
It is.
Florida County Commissioners.
Hey. Join us. Hey, Sarah.
Hey.
We're doing some training. You want to join us?
I'd love to.
Because we have this feature that the crew in the back is all excited about. I'm not, because it is, but I'm going to let them explain it to you.
Okay, what you got, boys?
Well,
Carpool Karaoke.
have you ever wanted to sing karaoke and drive your car at the same time?
I mean, I've done it. I don't know that I've done it well, but yeah, why not?
Sun goes down on my side of town. The lonesome feeling comes to my door. The whole world turns.
You're so good.
They are. We don't even need to be doing this.
If you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely.
Okay, so where can I put them?
Things to find. Also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't want to give you mine and no. Oh my gosh, we have so many good things going on in the county, so many exciting things coming up. We've recently broken ground on the first 2 of our 4 regional parks that we are going to have coming online in the next year or 2. We're building roads left and right, new community center down in Hastings, new libraries, new fire stations, and my personal favorite, a new West Augustine Medical Clinic that we are going to be cutting the ribbon for this Friday. St. Johns County is going to be over in Tallahassee representing everything that we love about this place we call home for our first legislative day in many, many years this February. We've got an incredible group of people lined up to come to show off St. Johns County. We're going to have all of our firefighters there. We're going to have our police officers there. We're going to have Asados coming to do an open fire demonstration.
Oh, do you need us to taste
The distillery, of course.
Okay.
We gotta complement the food with the
That's
drink.
right.
But we've got so many amazing sponsors that have agreed to be a part of it, and we're just so excited to bring the best of St. Johns County to Tallahassee, and hopefully bring some of our tax dollars home.
Yeah,
That's
right on.
awesome.
Love to see it.
I'm doing this tonight. You're probably gonna start right. No, this can't be right. Hey, baby, come on. Cause you really, really don't like. Bye, bye, bye.
Okay.
Bye, bye, bye to that
Bye,
song.
bye.
Yeah.
Okay.
We weren't as good as we thought we were.
No, but you know what? That's
We got
gonna
the
be
hand
the fun
motions
part
in.
of it.
All right.
I don't know about you guys, but for our first ever Carpool Celebrity Local Karaoke, I think we knocked it out of the park.
I think we were amazing.
I think that was pretty sick.
Yeah.
Yeah,
was.
done.
I would hire us.
Okay, so last thing, and this is the big one. Who do you nominate to be in the passenger seat next?
Ooh, I challenge Gabe Pellissier.
Who's Gabe? Can you give us a little
Gabe is
411?
the executive director and CEO of the AMP and the Ponte Vedra Concert Hall, St. Johns County Cultural Events.
Yes, 100%.
I mean, come on. Don't you want to know who's
Gabe.
coming?
Yes.
Who's going to be lined up for Sing Out Loud this year?
Yes.
Yep.
I mean,
Yes.
big things happening.
Ah,
And if
that's exciting.
music's your thing, if karaoke is the name of this game, then Gabe is your guy.
Perfect. Sounds
on.
good.
Alrighty.
Peace out.
Peace out. Thank you so much.